Bundy's Garage. Bundy here. Hey, today I wanted to show you guys a brand new Garrett turbo. This is actually for a 6.0 liter Ford diesel Powerstroke. I know there's some videos up on Bundy's Garage talking about the Ford, Dodge, and Chevy shootout, but this turbo comes from Performance Turbocharger in Fontana, California. I'll put up their address and phone number up right now, but this is actually a brand new, I'm talking like a brand new pair of underwear. This is a brand new turbo from them for the 6.0. This is not remanufactured, this is not used. This is a brand new turbo. So I want to show you what it all comes with and what it looks like brand new. The Ford dealerships are charging quite a bit more for these turbos than what Performance Turbocharger charges you for. So if you're in the market for one or you're looking for a turbo, go ahead, give them a call and they can hook you up. Just tell them Bundy sent you. So let me show you this. Never been opened. It's sealed down here as well. Get my Kershaw out. Like I said, this is brand new turbo from Garrett. This is not used, this is not remanufactured. Comes with instructions, turbocharger installation instructions. Got some mounting hardware. Oh, this sucker's heavy. Okay, here it is. Brand new Ford Powerstroke turbo. They also sell the Powermax turbo for this application as well if you guys are looking for a little bit more horsepower out of your Powerstroke. They also sell turbos for the 7.3 liters, the 6.0s, the 6.4s, and the 6.7s. They also have turbos for the Duramax, the GM Duramax, and Dodge applications, the Cummins applications. So here's the cold side. For the best possible price, call Arnie Villarreal at 909-644-2435 and tell him Bundy sent you. Very nice. Very nice. So if you guys are in the market for a brand new turbo or a turbo for your Ford, your Dodge, or your Chevy, go ahead and give Arnie Villarreal a call. Tell him Bundy sent you. Like I said a little bit earlier, the dealership is charging more than what these guys are offering a brand new one. And I believe that ones from the dealership are just remanufactured. This is brand new, never been used at all. They also have the Powermax turbo. All right, if you guys have any questions about turbos, give me a call. I can help you out. If you have found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to Bundy's Garage on YouTube. Questions, comments, concerns, you can reach out to me at bundysgarage@gmail.com. You can follow me on Twitter. And like always, I'll keep them rolling for you.